Hey, what's up guys, man? So today we're getting started on this 48 unit here. We got it back a couple months ago, but we had a lot of criminal element in here. So my partner Matt's been working hard on that. Got all that cleared out. We're moving our crews over here from another part. We got about 25 or 30 guys come through and blow through this. We got 27 of them that we got to do total remodels on. New kitchen, new countertops, new kitchen cabinets, new countertops, new flooring, new doors. The doors are ripped off. Building is in really solid shape. We had to replace some of this metal out here. We had to have this custom fabricated. We're gonna paint the whole exterior of this, redoing the parking lot. We already started on that. We got all the trash out done. We had, I don't know, 300-400 city orders that we had to come through, get all them closed out. Got to get all this landscaping out of here too, get it looking beautiful. So I'm gonna have the outside painting. I know Matt's been working on some colors. We already got a list put together for this. It's pretty straightforward. You got one window, we got one patio door. Some of them don't even have a patio door, 2 windows. Only thing which ones need tile work done. We'll get in here and knock these out, man. We put these to bed. We got 24 of them right now.
Are we changing the windows in the patio doors?
That's already scheduled and we're already ordered. They'll be putting them in next week.
Well, all right. We can put them in if they're here.
No, I already got somebody doing it. He measured them. He already ordered them. Them will all be put in.
Okay.
You using same lights out here that you're using in there?
I'm gonna do out here. Let's do. Which one should I do a ceiling fan in? I'll do a ceiling fan here and a light there, and a light there.
So is that light the same as this light?
Same light. Get a combo pack.
Gotcha.
Then up here we'll do a 3-bar.
You're not doing LED?
Now we'll just do the LED bulbs. Unless you got a good option for them. I mean, I don't know what you got. But I don't want to spend $27 on a fixture. Them LED fixtures are, $27. I can get a 2-pack of them for $11. And bulbs.
Just put a bulb in it.
There you go. I use the LED bulb. So same thing. Smoke detectors. You got all the smoke detectors. Carbon monoxide detectors.
You're Hamilton County here, so you need a photoelectric.
Photoelectric and ionization.
And ionization.
You need one in the bedroom and one out here. The photoelectric has to go out here outside the bedroom, correct?
I'm not sure on that. I just know you have to have a photoelectric in Hamilton County.
Yep.
Because of the fire they had at UC.
Yeah, years ago
with the kids.
They were supposed to enforce it, they never did, but we do it. So, yeah, I don't think we'll see too many like that. But
CO2 detector?
We're gonna need a CO2 detector, and we don't have gas here. Let me check on that with Devontae. I think we will need one in every unit.
Okay.
So, probably be better if we can get a combo.
Combo.
Make sure all our smoke detectors work. He's all latch here. I want to match up and paint any gray that we got in here. We'll match this up here. Let's get some of this paint and match it up. We'll get that. Rest of this will be black.
Second floor hallway. Now you don't want the whole hallway painted. You just want
I mean these hallways look good, man.
Just touch up and bad.
Just touch them all up. Okay. Maintenance, management.
So they've been going.
Put the AC unit down.
Yep.
Flooring's good in here. Vanity's good. Toilet's good. Mixer valve's good. We just need to get this painted. Get the drywall done. Doors good. Cabinets are good. Let's do a new countertop in here. New hood range. So 8-foot countertop will get you done. 8-foot countertop, new hood range, lights are good.
There's mice in my apartment.
Okay, did you
There's
call?
some mice in here right now.
Okay, did you let management know about
I've been let management know about this since they've been here, and they still ain't getting nothing about these mice that keep coming. Just got 2 mice out here last night. There's one right here.
Do you guys know where they're getting in at?
They're getting in my vent back there in our back room.
Okay, I'll get somebody over here right now to come over and get that closed up for you and get the mouse out of here. Hey, ma'am. Maintenance is on our way. They'll be here in 15-30 minutes. If you could show them, because I know they said Scherzinger or Snowball's been out here, but if they're not closing up the hole, obviously they're not fixing the problem.
No, Snowball wasn't the one that's supposed to close up the hole. Whoever the guy is that been coming here and coming in here, he was supposed to close up the hole, and he only closed up the holes in here
Is that Nate?
I don't know, but I'm telling them what's going on in this
No, we're
apartment.
checking the vacant units. I didn't know which one this was because it doesn't have.
Yeah, that's
so
why I
make
just
sure.
told him about that this morning too.
Yep.
I just put in the work order for that too because the guy been saying he was gonna do the peak hole and he still ain't did it. I can't even see who else at the door. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I'll be down here over the next 30 days. We're getting all of this renovated.
Okay.
So if they don't take care of that, I'm more on the capital side, taking care of the capital stuff.
Yes, sir.
Just grab me. My name's Nate, and I'll get this taken care of for you.
Yes, sir.
The other maintenance guy, Nate, he's coming over right now to close that hole up. And we'll get your door painted. We're gonna get a notice out. We want to paint your door, make it look nice, and put you nice new numbers on here.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, and sorry for
you.
inconvenience,
You all right.
guys.
You all right.
All right, bye-bye. All right, hey guys, man, we're showing you one of the buildings. We bought a 277 unit portfolio. Just got done walking through 24 vacants. We're about to have these all done in May. New cabinets, new countertops, new flooring, make them nice. So this is a 48 unit. We're gonna be painting exterior. We got all new windows coming in. We fixed all the decks already. We patched all the roofs. We're started on the driveway out here. We got another dumpster coming in about an hour and a half. And let me show you, man, how you make money off these type of deals, man. So let's just say the average rent is 48 unit. You got 6 efficiencies. Let's just say my average rent's gonna be $690. It's gonna be higher than that, but let's just say 700. 700 times 48 units. 33,600 a month times 12 months. So this building can make 403,000 before vacancy. You're gonna have vacancy of about 5%, so times 0.95. Once stabilized, you're gonna have $383,000 in gross operating income. All right, guys, so look, man, we had 383 was our number. That's how, see, really, I'm not gonna sell this building. I bought this building, but I'm gonna sell the cash flow. So, and then look at this area. It's really being renovated. We came over here about 6 years ago and started buying up this whole street, man. We knew this large, beautiful waterway project. It's called daylighting. I did a big study on it to find out what happens when you daylight a community. Basically, I could go on and on, but what happened was we had what's called combined sewer overflows, meaning that when Cincinnati expanded back in the 30s, 40s, 50s, they, instead of putting in a separate sewer system, they said, hey, we already got storm drains out there, just tie into the storm drains. So now what happens, we sit on a big hill, and 151 days out of the year, what'll happen, on average, you will have the water come in there and it will back up into people's basements. So it floods people's houses out. There was an EPA settlement done. I've actually had lawsuits against MSD. I just lost one that I shouldn't have lost, but they screwed me over. And the guy, hey, look, man, I ain't gonna talk bad about them, but they incompetent in a lot of ways, man. They fraudulent, they incompetent. But they doing this project, took them 15, 16 years. It's gonna be beautiful over there. What they did was they daylighted, which might mean they brought all the storm drains above ground and made it look like a river, and they gentrified this whole area. This whole area was just run down, mice, everything, infestation. So we're gonna jump back to this building though and show you why we like this building. Long term, rents are gonna jump. We're gonna have $900, $1,000 for 1 bedrooms over here in the near future because of what's going on in this area. That's why I wanna teach you guys how to buy in them areas, because I'm gonna show you what it's gonna be worth if we hang on to it for 5 years, projected. So we got $383,000 in gross operating income, and that's over 12 months. It's gonna cost us about $4,200 a unit to maintain. 4,200 times 48. That's gonna be all of our expenses. So we have 338 minus 201. Let's see what that is. 338 minus 201. It leaves us with $137,000 NOI. Divide this by, let's say, a 6.5 cap. It's worth 2.1 million. So we're gonna have, I'm just guessing we owe $1.1 million on it, because I don't know, because we bought. And let's say we had to put 10,000 a unit, probably be less than that, minus 480. So make $500,000 off this project. But what's gonna happen is this area turns, guys. Just why I'm showing you guys how to get started, man, doing residential so you can get your cash together, because watch what happens here. These rents are gonna go to 900 times 48 units times 12 months times 95% occupancy. We got 492. The expenses may go up a little bit. So let's say our expenses go up to 4,500 times 48. So that's 216. We got 492,000 minus 416,000. Wait, I'm 216,000, sorry. 492,000 minus 216,000. Now we got $276,000 NOI. Let's say we trade that off at a 6.5 cap. It's worth 4.2 million. All I have to do, me and my partners, Matt, Steve, Robbie, and Mike, and me, hang on to this. We make another $2 million over the next 5 years as the rents go up. So that's another 2 million times 0.2. I own 20%. That's extra 400 grand, man. So see, that's easy money, man. That's easier money when you do it like that. And it's gonna look good. We're gonna paint the whole exterior. Matt's picking out the colors. I think he's gonna paint it like the same colors as FC Cincinnati. We got a soccer team, man, and soccer is huge with the millennials. So we wanna make this building like white with some blue and some of that orange. That's why you wanna buy and hold in this environment. As government comes in, they bring more regulations in, ultimately for landlords. What that does is it forces us to it really is stupid. They do it because they want to protect the people. They want to make sure they got housing, and it's all great. But the more, if you're the government, listen to me, man, the more regulation you put in, the more it's going to cost owners to operate, the more rents we have to charge. So as long as you don't single us out and all of us have to deal with it, rents are going up, man. Plus we're in this inflationary market. Building materials are through the roof. Labor costs are through the roof. Even though we've had some great efficiencies, most of them efficiencies are already tapped out, meaning, you know, the AI, the stuff that you could bring in, you can't do it over here a lot, man. We already have our systems automatically collect rent, automatically. Now we're doing, with our controllers, it's automatically reading all the receipts and doing that. So they do have some stuff like that that can make it more efficient, but ultimately wages are gonna go up. And as a property owner and as a business owner, I know this is tough to hear, man, but you really wanna see $15 an hour minimum wage, because what that'll do, it's gonna drive cost up. And if you're running a business and you're making 20% margins, would you rather make it on $1 million or 800,000? I mean, that's a business, but there's gonna be it's gonna be a little tough to get through. But if you're a property owner and you already know this stuff's coming, just prepare for it, man. It's a massive wave of money that you're about to make right now, especially with all this stuff they're doing. People are gonna quit trading properties. They're not gonna do 1031s. They're gonna take these tax laws away, so it's gonna slow the economy down ultimately, and their labor force will pick back up. Because people will quit investing. Corporate America is gonna quit investing. As their taxes go up, they're gonna move out of the country. I mean, it's bad policy, man. I don't care if you're Republican or Democrat. I'm neither, I'm independent, but that's bad policy. But what can you do? Just get out here and make it work. Who cares, man? So we can't control that. But we're gonna make this look beautiful. We just walked through 27 units. We're gonna have all of these done by the end of May. And our leasing team's gonna be out here leasing them up, getting this project knocked out quick, fast, and in a hurry. This is why a lot of times you guys say, well, what kind of cap rate? Man, I ain't buying this at no cap rate. This thing's burning money every month. This building's probably losing $8,000 a month right now. $200, $300, $400 a day. So we gotta get in here and turn it over quick. We gotta get this thing turned over quick. And we're gonna do that.
Sure, you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Nate Barger on YouTube, and hit the bell, and you'll be notified on any new videos that come out.